Any words of what should I expect sitting in shotgun with you? Hold on.
Yeah, hold on. That's pretty much it.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I'll show you.
All right, let's take a look. 13-year-old young man is going to show me how to drive. Look at this.
Pretty much just a 306, trick flow heads, cam, stuff like that. It's got an intake on it. Nothing too crazy.
How much power is she pushing, bro?
Probably about 450 on motor.
Man. I'm not racing you, I tell you that right now. This is Todd Kasper Jr.
Yeah.
And we're here with Todd Kasper. Of course, they work on the Black Mamba, but we're here. What, you got a name for this car?
White Mamba.
The White Mamba. Oh, all right. Look at this. Exciting. I'm actually excited. Like, I'm really, really excited. Beautiful Fox body. Got the shift light over there. We're taking a ride in the White Mamba. Look how close that seat is. That is awesome. So we're gonna ride with Todd Kasper Jr., 13 years old, in this Fox body. What do you think is gonna happen? It was nice knowing you guys. If anything happens to me, please upload this to the channel. No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna have fun. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be so fun. This is what it's about, though. You know, about the kids. You know, generations coming up, Mustang community, and it's a really cool Mustang. The White Mamba, they're calling it. So I'm excited. We'll see what happens. I've never driven in a car, especially a performance car down the drag strip, a 13-year-old. So we're gonna do it together. And I'll tell you how it feels and how it's like. Have a lot of fun. 8th mile. So we shall see. I'm about to borrow his tires. Look at these. This is so awesome. All right, I'm gonna suit up. I'm gonna get in. All right. Okay. Sounds amazing. Warming the car up.
Yep.
Woo.
People up there.
We are in the White Mamba.
Yep.
With Todd Kasper, 13 years old, gonna show me how to drive this Mustang, baby.
Ready?
I'm ready.
All right, cool.
Two are now closed. Stage lanes for Justin. Two are now closed. Cars in the lanes in between that and the.
Very nice.
Lanes for tested two. The close.
sweet. That was awesome, bro.
Hey, thank you.
You killed it. Todd Kasper just killed it. He showed you guys, actually showed me how to drive stick just now.
The White Mamba.
The White Mamba. Love it. Great job, brother. Awesome. Oh, man. Yo, that was awesome.
Yep.
That was so fun, guys. I'm here with just 13 years old Todd Kasper with his awesome Fox body, the White Mamba, just kicked butt. That was a ride. We took off.
Yeah, we did.
Can't wait to see the times. And that's with my big behind in here too, so wait till we see the times. Nice burnout, nice reaction.
Thank you. Check out the
How'd you do, buddy?
You got a 1/860 foot.
Nice.
Not bad.
Very good job, bro.
Yep.
I wish we could hot lap.
Yeah, right? That'd be awesome.
That was so fun. I never thought I had this much fun in the passenger seat of the drag strip, but it's the first time for everything.
Yep.
That was so much fun, guys. I can't even tell you. And let me tell you, his hand-eye coordination, killer.
Give it a little pep on the way back. Super.
Yo, that dude could drive. Todd can drive. Like, you wait till you see. Wow, that was crazy fun. Hey, bro, great job.
Thank you.
That was awesome. That was awesome. I wish we could hot lap. That was a lot of fun. That was so much fun. That dude can drive. Todd can drive. Like, you wait till you see. Wow, that was crazy fun. Hey, bro, great job. That was awesome. I wish we could hot lap. That was a lot of fun. How did it feel?
Good.
How you think your son did?
I think he did all right. How did he do to you? How'd you like?
I was the most fun I never had the drag strip, and I was in a passenger seat, so
Pretty cool,
a
right?
lot of fun, man.
Awesome feeling. Proud of him.
Good job, bro.
Thank you.
And you raised them right in the Mustang, you know.
That's it. So we're ready.
love
Ready
it.
for next season.
Hey, man. Check out Todd Cat. He's just getting started.
Yep.
I love it. What do you got to say?
Must be nice.
Oh, beautiful job. Beautiful car.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. 40,000 subscribers. It means so much. The best is yet to come. Thank you. God bless you all. It means the world to me. You have no idea how hard I try to push and work. And I just thank you so much. God bless you all.